to another video, guys. If it's your first time of coming across my channel, you are highly welcome. My name is Blessing and I'm a mom of 4 living in Germany with my family. So to my returning subscribers, thank you for always stopping by to watch my video. I appreciate you all always, and thank you for your love and support. So guys, actually on today's video is an unboxing video actually. So I'm going to be unboxing this. This is a microwave. Yeah, so I bought it and it says it has 10 automatic programs. I don't know what that means, so I decided to unbox it with you people for you all to see if it's worth buying or not. So let's dive right into it. So let's unbox it together. I can't wait to actually start using it, guys. Oh yeah! Wow. Yeah, this is the first thing I'm going to be bringing out of it. And what next? Okay, guys, look at this. Oh shit. It's not that big. I was thinking that it's going to be very big, bigger than the one I have before. But I guess they are the same, but that one does not have automatic programs and all that. Oh, it's so heavy. My goodness. I was lucky. I was very lucky, honestly. Wow, it looks good. Oh. It's so heavy. Philip, please go and take this for me. Yeah, so guys, I just finished opening the carton right now, and this is how it looks. It looks good though, and I think it's bigger than the one I had before, because this one is actually 23 liters and that one was, I think it was 20 liters. And wow, I like new stuff, guys, because when you buy new stuff, the one that you had before, you feel like just putting it into the trash. So I can't wait to start using this. Wow, it's big. Guys, look at this. Wow. Wow. So guys, yeah, so this is actually how inside of it looks. So I'm just gonna be taking out all the, okay. Yeah, here is the manual. And actually, guys, sorry, I forgot to say it. It's a Medion product. I don't know. Yeah. This one is, I think this is what you use in grilling whatever you want to grill or whatever. Guys, yeah, I think this is this one was inside as well. So this is actually what you use in grilling whatever you want to grill. So we are going to be trying it later. And here it says, it's written in grammar. It says Okay, allgemein guarantee and Bedingungen. Yeah, it says all the guaranteed information that you need to know about. So yeah, so I think first of all I'm just gonna put this inside. Okay, yeah, okay guys, I was lucky. This almost fell down, you know. If this falls down and if it's broken, your microwave it's broken, you cannot use it. I was so lucky. So I'm going to be putting it right inside. Wow, it looks good though, and it's quite different, and it's quite different from the one I had before. Yeah, so first of all I'm going to be, I have to read it how to use it. I just have to go through the manual. It's in French, in German, and in English as well. I haven't seen the English part of it. Yeah, so I'll go through it later, but I think this everything that is stated here is the guarantee. It actually have 2 years guarantee. Yeah, and they are actually stated numbers that you can actually call maybe if it's having a problem or whatsoever. It's a bit far, yeah. So guys, when they said it has 10 automatic program, so I never knew what they meant by that. So I just saw it right here. I don't know if you guys can see it very well. Take a close look at it. It actually has like 10 things that you can actually use it for. You can use it for pizza, potatoes, meat, fish, vegetable beverages, pasta, sorry, popcorn, cake, and chicken. Yeah, so that's what they meant, that it has 10 programs. And I think when you put something into it, it's just gonna like pick what is into the microwave automatically. So we're going to be trying that together, so let's do it together. So I don't know if, so guys, I'm just gonna be trying it with, I have 2 chickens here, 2 chicken laps, so I'm just gonna try to use it first. So to see if it's going to work or there's something I need to do. I don't know. So do I have to, okay, let me try using it for one first, or should I put the 2 together because I don't know how long it's going to take, right? It actually says for 95 minutes, so I think it's 1 hour 30 minutes or so. Well, let me do one first to see if it's gonna work. No, you actually So guys, yeah, I've just put in the chicken right now and I'm grilling the chicken. I just put it in 35 minutes to see how long, because actually it says if you are going to be grilling something, sorry, it's going to take like 95 minutes. So I just want to test it to see how it works. So see you guys later. Yes, so guys, yeah, it's been like 60 minutes right now, so we're just gonna check our chicken if it's ready, guys. So wow guys, look at this. Look at this, guys. Look at this. It looks good, right? Wow, guys. So I'm gonna take it out right now. Yeah. Yeah, so I'm just gonna take it out right now, guys. Wow, guys, look at this. It looks good. There you go. So guys, my chicken is ready. I actually grilled it with the microwave. Look at it. It looks good, right? So if you have been watching up to this time, actually I still have pizza to I'm just going to be testing it out with my pizza as well, but I don't want this vlog to be too long, right? So yeah, if you have been watching up to this time, you haven't subscribed to my channels, why don't you go ahead and subscribe to my channel? And if at the end of this video you enjoy watching, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share me out to your friends and family. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye, guys.